What's up guys, thanks for joining the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should not buy the iPhone 13. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first big reason why you should not buy the iPhone 13 is going to be the price. Very important. It's always going to be one of the first things people look at, and definitely this phone is expensive. It is too expensive for what it is. You can get a lot of other cheaper phones even for free. This one's going to cost you $800 plus tax, and then also if you want to get it unlocked, it's $830 plus tax. So you're looking at $900 in some cases. And for what it does, I mean, that's an expensive phone. You can get free phones that do a lot more for a lot less. And this phone is just too overpriced. That's a lot. This is something that you're gonna probably lose. This is something that could break. It's a big investment. All right, that's just one reason. That's probably one of the top reasons why you shouldn't get the iPhone 13. Next reason why you shouldn't buy the iPhone 13 is that it has the same design as the iPhone 12. So it has an old design. You're not getting anything new. If you were to walk down the street and you were to see someone with an iPhone 13, another person with an iPhone 12, you're probably not gonna know the difference, especially if they have like a case over it or something. It's gonna be the same design. You're not gonna really feel like you have something new or different in your hand compared to everybody else. It's not really gonna stand out. You're gonna have to really investigate it to have that new feeling. Only you're gonna know that it's new. Everybody else is gonna be like, yeah, it's the same phone as I have. And that's, why are you gonna spend over $800, $900 for something that has the same design as the previous one? So the next reason is the camera. Now, I'm not gonna say that the camera is bad. The camera is super awesome. It is like the best camera you could probably get on the market right now. But is it that much really better than other phones' cameras? Especially if you go with last year's iPhone 12 model, or even 11, or even 10R, or even the cheaper SE 2020. I don't think a lot of people are going to notice the camera differences. They introduced new cinematic mode. They got new features in the camera. It's supposed to let in more light, this, that, and the other. But how much better is it? Every year, the camera is being improved and improved and improved, but there has been a point several years ago, several generations ago, where the camera is just good enough for most people. And it's not hard to do. We achieved that in the iPhone 4. If you go back to reviews and to prior videos and people saying the camera has always been good, how could you improve the camera 13 times over? It's just not possible. And then for this to be at one of the best features, it's not good enough of a reason to buy the iPhone 13. The next reason why you shouldn't buy the iPhone 13 is that it's overkill. This phone is awesome. I mean, it's kind of flattering, saying that you should not buy this phone because it's overkill. This phone does everything under the sun. It has everything that you possibly wanted to do in a smartphone. It does so many things well. But are we using our full potential with this phone? Is it worth upgrading from a 10R, from an 11, from 8? Honestly, you can go back several generations. How much more powerful does the iPhone need to be to need it, to be an upgrade? So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a new phone and you could afford this device, I mean, I think that's why most people are going to buy it, is just because, hey, I need a new phone. Either it's broken or whatever. You just want that newest feeling. Hey, what's a new iPhone? And you're going to be on a payment plan or whatever. Yeah, I get it. But if your previous phone is powerful enough, I mean, we're going to use it for games. We're going to use it for the camera, email, texting, calling, browsing the web, stuff like that, browsing through Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. This is overkill for it. This is way more powerful than any Android or any iPhone or computers and laptops. This is just way too much power for an everyday user, and you're not going to get that much more performance difference from the previous generation or even previous generations, like the 10R, an example. So yeah, this phone is kind of overkill. So that's been my 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy the iPhone 13. Let me know which ones you agree with. Tell me which ones where you don't agree with. It's a great phone overall. I'm not complaining about the phone, but there's some reasons why you shouldn't get it. Unless you really, really are a tech nerd and you really want the next best and greatest, yeah, get this phone. But for most people, 99% of people, there's better choices out there. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you subscribe. It helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.